So Alison, so far you have seen me show you how to make a cup of coffee, an espresso at a normal speed, and then I've shown you step by step with some conversation so that you could understand how it actually happens. I did overlook one thing, and I want to tell you that quickly before you go there.
Okay.
And that's turning the machine on, which is very important.
Yeah, that's the first step.
So when we first turn the machine on, we move it to number 1.
Okay.
Once a green light comes on, we move it to number 2. At number 2, an orange light will come on. Once that light goes off and it says okay, then the machine is primed and ready. I'm sorry I forgot that earlier.
So normally how long does it take to turn it into level 1
To be ready,
2? Yeah.
about 15 minutes.
15 minutes, okay.
Yeah. And if you're busy, nothing will happen, it's not dangerous. So
Okay.
sometimes I switch it on, I go and play table tennis, and then 10, 15, 20 minutes I'll check, okay, I move it to the next level.
Okay, got it.
And we keep the machine on all day.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now that you've witnessed everything, I'd like you to take me through the steps that you've learned so far. And if you have a doubt, I'm here to help you.
Okay, I'll give it a shot. So here's the coffee beans. So this is a new one, and we try to put it out into a cup, maybe, and then we will put the beans into the grinder. It's called grinder.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
grinder.
correct. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's normally the amount of 1 cup. So then I will put away the beans, and then I will turn on the grinder.
And how do you know it's on?
When the screen is on. Yeah. So we can see that green is on. There were a lot of items shows signs on it, and 1 bean means just one shot, and 2 beans means 2 shots. So normally I would put the cup here. Okay, I will put this.
So you have to go anti-clockwise? Yeah, clockwise, sorry.
I put it here. I should hold it all the time, right?
With your left hand, yes.
Okay. So I choose one shot.
And gently shaking. Okay, that's good. You want to keep it flat, so not like this. So as you put it in, you want it flat.
Flat.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm going to give it a little shake. Okay, so it's going to sit flat.
Okay.
Yeah.
So normally it needs to be more. So I manually add a little bit more into it. Oh, it's too much.
That's okay. So give it a little shake.
Shake. And then we use this to press it
First
hard.
of all, we're going to place it that
Oh,
there.
okay. Yeah. So and then we
Press
press it hard.
evenly. Yep.
We put it back into it.
So you see how we've got coffee around there?
So we
Just wipe it with your hand, it's fine. It's because we did a little extra pour and a little extra grind. So. Now this is the most difficult part, getting that position right.
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect.
90 angle, and then I put the cup beneath it.
Yes, perfect.
Now we switch this on and waiting for it to fill into the cup.
About how long will you wait?
25 seconds.
Excellent.
Maybe I add too much.
So we can see when it's a bit full, the coffee's not very happy with us.
Yeah.
It takes longer to get through that density.
It's much better.
But it's coming now, so
Yeah,
it's
it's
fine.
much better.
It's not a bad pour for your first time.
For first time.
Congratulations.
It's exciting.
Yeah, so, and this texture, I remember, what do I call it?
Texture.
What do I call this pour? I'll tell you again. We call it a rat tail.
Rat tail.
So, you know the rat?
Yeah.
The tail looks It looks like a rat's tail.
Rat tail. So it first is golden, and then when you turn a little dark brown, as
Yeah.
like she said, it's all done.
Yeah, so the golden is the creme now. See how it's changing? It's time to switch it off. Yeah, so it actually went a bit watery, so we don't want a watery cup. Okay, so
Okay.
let's have a look at the
So-
creme. Excellent.
Is
So
it?
put it safely on the counter.
uh,
Anywhere. Yeah, there is good. Okay, now what do we do with the portafilter?
we knock. We use a knock box to knock it down.
You can be a little bit aggressive, it's okay. It's hot.
And then we try to clean it with water.
Good. Turn it upside down. Excellent. Wonderful. And then you put it back where you found it, remember? You put it back in there. And we do that because when the weather changes, we don't want this to be going hot, cold, cold. So we're always keeping it warm.
Okay.
Okay, wonderful. Well done, Alison.
Thank you. That's first try.
In a moment, you're going to do it again, but this time I'm going to step back a little bit and you're going to just tell me all the steps.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll stop the video and then you can have a little think about that.
Okay. Thank you.